chat. Hope everyone's doing awesome. Let's see. There we are. Also, OBS, why you gotta be like this? For whatever reason, it just absolutely refuses to save my browser docs. It's like it's just incapable. Hold on. Give it some stupid name. And where to the showtime? And we're good. Nice. Yep. 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 Got it. So, plans for today. I'm hoping to finally get that crab imported into Blender correctly. Don't know how to do it yet, but we'll see what happens. Okay, that. Good. Cream is happy. Actually, do we know what Solonen's materials are yet? I'm guessing we get a new area, though. Oh, today's Monday, though, isn't it? Yeah. Never mind. Doesn't matter what her upgrade materials are. It's Monday. We gotta do bosses. Also, it's about time to give us a new event, I think. I guess tomorrow is the new version, so that's probably when we'll get it. Gonna have to re-up that soon. Oh yeah, that's ending today. But we're done, right? Yes. Yes.
Add Astra.
Ooh. Oh, why I'm at 200 resin. Let's fix that real quick. Hello, Dvalin. Goodbye, Dvalin.
My will and body.
What goodies you got for me? Nothing. No, I haven't used Ganyu or Azdaha in a long, long time. To do that. Nope, was not fast enough to glitch that. Just proper timing, you can avoid entering the cutscene. Do have to be careful in this one. Those water swirls just love to sideswipe you when you're trying to snipe.
Transfiguration.
Uh-oh. Like I was saying. Luckily, Zhongli's shield does purge the element. I think it applies Geo to you just ever so briefly. Well, no, if it did that, it would probably create a crystallized guard. Yeah. Not quite as laid back as playing with Yaimiko. Similar, but Yaimiko's just so lazy. Oh, sure. Why not? I haven't used this team in ages.
Surrender is a valid option. I promise I'll be gentle. Some progress. Not bad. You've got a trick or two.
Quietly now.
No use hiding back.
Gotcha.
Solidify.
I wonder if I'll even have enough time to get my combo going. Because first up, send her burst, shield, Elon burst, Yunjin burst, and fire away. Oh. Just barely enough time to set up the combo. I got like 3 hits in. Nice. Last up, Andreas. Let's go. Yeah, sure. I can use this team for this.
Busted. Gotcha. Flags up. Observe. Time for a light show.
Stabilize.
Ah. Man, that right there to me shows just how ridiculous Nouvellette is.
Solidified.
Busted. Gotcha. Flags fly. And leap. Fuse is lit.
Stabilize.
All right. All set on that. Resin is good. How are we doing on actually getting friendship levels up?
Add Astra. Thank you for
Sevens, 6, and a 4. Yeah. Maybe better things are happening to Serenity Pot. Feels like ages since we maxed out a character. Oh. There's another one of these kick people asking to add me on Discord. What is this? Like, for the life of me, I cannot figure out what the scam is. Unless it's literally just, I'm gonna teach you how to do this if you send me $100. Maybe that's what this is?
truly beginning to thrive.
It's just super weird, dude.
If you ever
Hmm. I really wish they would let you track these. Because I would be farming them like every day if I could track them. But the whole mechanic of like going to the blacksmith, he tells you like a couple locations, but not all of them. I find it super annoying. Especially now that they've added the whole tracking thingamabob. Oh, I can't see it here. But anyway, there's the new feature where like you just tell the game, hey, show me the location of all of the herbs of this type. And it just goes, oh, they're here, 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 here. You're done. Anywho. Let's see. First things first. Come on. Unreal Engine, show me. I want to take another crack at the export because I feel like there has to be a way to bundle the animations together. Like, it just makes sense there would be. Let's see, Unreal Engine export asset with multiple. This has to be a simple thing, right? Problem is, literally everything I find is exporting from Blender. How to export what? Export to Maya and back. Ooh. Okay. Talk to me. And I'm guessing that is a single animation. Man, dude. Up your scaling, I can't see a thing. Ah! Yeah, it's a single animation. Create all your motion, have them all saved in your content library, then you can add them all to the FBX export together. Oh?
Hi everyone, in this quick tutorial I'm going to take a look at how you can export motion data from Character Creator 3 without including the mesh data in order to minimize the sizes of the files you will import into your Unity Game Engine project.
Yeah, but it sounds like you're not... Exporting from CC3. What is CC3? Character Creator 3? Maybe? Yeah, that's what it is. Okay. Also, what is Character Creator 3? What is Character Creator 3? There we go. Full character creation solution for generating optimized 3D characters ready for animation, games, and time. Character Creator 3 comes equipped with new quad-based round-trip editing. Probably not what I'm looking for. In any case. How to make pack export. Created this in Blend. Wait. Make pack export this animated asset file. I can my client. New to Unreal Engine 5. Created this in Blender. Drag the animation sequence. Viewport. Don't really know if this is the proper way to do asset. So they're asking about Blender to Unreal Engine, not what I need. Okay, how about this? Get Unreal Engine get assets into Blender. About destroying them on the way in. It either has to do with the asset I bought or the engine itself, because every time I export the character, these characters out of or not just Blender that does this, Maximo renders the asset the same way. Try importing those armature or auto bones off. Once had similar errors related to different FBX versions. Your Blender input. It's actually a decent thought. That's just the skeleton. Not going to be animation. UE5. Set multiple animations in single FPS. How to combine multiple FBX animations. File. Use using Unreal Engine 4. Ooh. That might be super useful. So that might mean that I need to make a blue. I'm not happy. Okay, cool. You've got all your animations. Love it. Animation blueprint. Animation montage. Okay, let's try it. Animation montage. Skeleton. Okay, I did something. Let's see. Crab, red montage. Okay, open the montage, and I'm guessing we're dragging those in somewhere. Default group. Okay. No, do not. Oh, no, 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 no. Do not tell me that. It's literally just combining the animation. No! Okay. Hold on. Animation Blueprint is essentially a specialized blueprint whose graphs control the animation of a skeletal mesh. Animation layer interface, collection of one or more animation graphs. Only, no implementation, that can be added to other animation blueprints. These other blueprints are then expected to implement the graphs in the animation layer interface in a unique manner. Okay, whatever that means. Now, if I try to export this, what are my options? Nothing useful. Dang. And none of these are what I'm looking for. Okay, I will try a little bit more searching on the Googles. Only a bit. Blending animation sequences, nope. Can I put multiple animations on a single skeletal neck? Exporting multiple animations in a single GLB file. But that... I think that's Blender. Heck. Yeah, that's Blender. Garbo! Okay, this is my last search. Okay. I think I give up on this, trying to do it this way. I think I'm gonna have to learn how to retarget animations in Blender. Okay. Blender. Retarget animation. Okay, Blender, let's talk. Okay. This is the one I care about. These are the Garbo ones. They're gonna go. Oh, but the crab isn't positioned properly. So I've got to redo that part. That's not right either. Let's just start fresh. Okay, that is just the crab. Nope, no animations. Are you correctly positioned? You are not. Okay. So what I need to do is re-export. But just the mesh. Huh. Interesting. What is the difference between, I wonder? They seem like the same thing. Okay, I think I want the SK crab. Yes, replace it. How do I tell what version of FBX Blender wants? What version of FBX there's I don't know what that means. We're just gonna hope that 2013 is fine. Good, you are centered. Love it. And you have your whole skeleton, by the look of it. Cool, cool. Good, good, good. But also, okay. Save that there. I have a good place to come back to. There are no animation. Awesome. Try to just grab this. I may have done... Should have probably checked this. Okay. Still looks very off. Like, I don't see how that's gonna map correctly, but I'll try it. Switch to the scripting workspace and make the following adjustments in the visual window. Okay. Open up a dope sheet. Action editor. 2. Oh, you're gonna script this in. Gross. Don't love that. All right. Scripting, here we go. CPY dot data dot objects Okay, SK Crab 001 is, I guess, a mesh? I don't know my Blender icon, so your guess is as good as mine, chat. I'm gonna guess that's a mesh. This is the skeleton. Sure. What is that? No clue. Anyway. Add constraints and link them with target bone. No idea how this works. My source is what? Root 001, maybe. To SK Crab dot root. Maybe. There are animations. Or not. Hmm? Okay. Here's a question. How do I set the end frame for this? Because this is obnoxious. Okay. Um. Okay, so why is it playing outside of the frame range I set now? This is silly. So silly. Blender. Loop specific frame range. Plays. Oh, it's a scene property. Lovely. Guessing this happens at frame 22. Okay. Scene. What do you mean? Ah, output. Scene. And is 22. Much better. Wait a second. It's getting there. But I have a theory. Huh. For now, I'll leave it there. But I definitely think there's 2 frames there that it's just doing nothing. Okay. Really wish I knew why it rotated, though. That didn't make any sense to me. Hmm. File. Line 64. Add constraint. Line 21. Oh, that's not right. I just tell it root. Okay, try that. Okay, it thinks it did something. Let's see if it did. Heck? Happening. Don't feel like it's actually retargeting. Sure. Target animation. add-on enables the transfer of animations and poses from one armature. Okay, talk to me about license plate. Garbo. Use an add-on like this one. No! Yeah, unless I find some type of statement that you're free to use this, I'm not trusting it. Yep, can't trust it. Working with animations in Blender, you may encounter scenarios where you wish to apply the same motion or keyframes from one object to another. This could involve transferring complex movements. Begin by selecting the target object. Okay, what? With both objects selected, use the shortcut Control L to link the animation data from the source object to the target object. Okay. Okay, that's on this guy. I want to put it there. Control L is not doing anything. Blender. Control L. Control L will add to the selection cursor's nearest control. All the linked ones. Huh? Well, that's obviously wrong. Blender retargeting tool. Okay. $20. But how do I know you work well? Well, let's also see. Huh. This can't be a difficult process, right? Main goal is to link synchronized target armature bones, of course, real time using some math magic, thus allowing you to use your next favorite exporting using the ocean. First bones, or bone that should be linked. Why is this such a nightmare, guys? Like, why is this absolutely awful? And that's just obviously tilted about the y-axis. This is just infuriating. And all that data is now just stuck there. Great. Okay, I have a bunch of actions that just exist, right? Can I not just, like, do this and then it magically works? Apparently not. Wait a second. Something's fishy. So, what does this think it's operating on? How do I tell it, hey, this is what you apply to? What? I don't understand. Why is the crab gone? Okay. Why is this such a nightmare? What? Now my crab is back after I deleted what I thought was crab. Uh-huh. Sure. Why not? Okay, so I have my root armature. Great. Okay. Can I have my crab back? No. Huh? I have no idea what's happening, but we're starting fresh again, because apparently I don't know how to do any of this. Now, how do I get rid of these? Excellent. Save. Did this crab just get like ridiculously tiny? Pretty sure it did. Why is it so tiny now? Okay. We have root. Oh, wait, I should... Let's just go all the way back. And that's as far as it'll let me go back. Never mind. So that's the scaling that makes sense to me. Don't know why it bungled up. Hold on. I want to start fresh. No animations, automatic bone orientation. The orientation I want. B up. Forward should be negative Y. Or not. Why are you tiny? Okay. Stop. Go back to the blank project. Red crab. Y forward, B up. Okay. No animation. Automatic bone orientation. Okay. That looks semi-reasonable. Have no action. Awesome. I'm gonna save this. And I'm gonna make a copy. Okay, Now I have a safe place to go back to at all times. The skeleton looks reasonable to me. Okay. Import. FBX. Actually, maybe there's something I can do. Okay, got a new action. No keyframes to focus. Okay. How do you actually do anything with this? Oh, that's how. Okay. Then, I guess my only choice at this point is importing the other FBX. All right. Also not right. So I have an animation. I think there's tons of problems with it, but let's just see if we can get it applied. Output. Oh, there's definitely no data at 0, so... How to retarget. It's all done with Rococo. Don't love that. Maybe it's fine to use Rococo. I know I've had it installed before, so let's take a look. Add-on. Get Rococo. Nice. License. Everyone is permitted to copy and distribute verbatim copies of this license document, but blah blah blah. Incorporates the terms and conditions free of the new general public license. Oh. Yeah, no, GNU public license. I can't use the source code for anything, but it should be perfectly legit to just use this as is. Okay. Okay. Guess it's less than happy with that. Well, we're just gonna give it some time. What's something we can take a break with? All this decides whether or not it... Oh, never mind. It's done. Oh, you have to be signed into Rococo to use that feature. Like the answer is yes. All right. Choose how to assign into your Rococo account. I guess I'll make an account for Dum Dum. What kind of work do you do? Game development. Organization size. It's me. Okay, more verification codes. Love it. Sorry guys, can't show this stuff on screen. Okay, I can now sign in. Okay. Cool. I guess it's working. Now I just have a question. What are the license terms? Honestly, I wouldn't hate the idea of someday investing in Rococo mocap for my company. Because, like, if at some point I'm able to make my own animations that way, that could be really cool. Also, good morning. Still needs work. How's it going? I am doing pretty good. Would love to have more clear information on this, but... Okay, let's see. I want retargeting. I want take it from here and put it here. Build boneless. What? Excuse me, you should be able to figure that out automatically. Small clause O2L. Like, why is that not auto-determining? You know what? Finished my paper yesterday and felt good that it was over. Nice. I wonder if I can fix their code. Just a thought. Because having to manually enter all of these is going to be a pain in the butt. It seems very odd to me that it wouldn't... that it's having trouble with this. It seems completely and totally unreasonable for it to have trouble with. We're gonna save that. Exit. And let's check out app data local under. That's not right. One scripts add-on for Coco. I start my new classes tomorrow. Very cool. Okay. Operators. Retargeting. That sounds like a good spot. Build bone list. So we get our source and our target. Nice. No animation on the source. Clear the bone retargeting list. Bone value in retargeting dictionary.item. Detector.detect retarget bone. Okay. Import. So from core, import detection manager. Okay, that's the file I want. Okay. And standardize. Here, that's it. I need detect, retarget bone. There we are. Detect all matching bones in the target and source armature. Well, you don't do that very well now, do you? Detect all. For all the F curves. I feel like there's a more sane way to do this. Like, I don't see why F curves should be relevant at all. Okay, that's a weird way to detect that. And add all the bones to the retargeting dictionary. Bone list animated. Length of bone name is 3. What is this here? What? So it goes to the animation data. It grabs all the bone names by splitting on quote or double quote. Welcome back. Hold on, I need to see Blender again. Are you making another plugin? No, I'm trying to fix someone else's plugin. Because it's not doing what I want. Huh. Okay, let's do this. Armature source dot animation data action F curve. Been following Rito and they seem to be making progress, sacrificing sleep to make things move forward. Working to get a new build. Well, a build. Fair. I wish them all the luck. Same way I wish Godot all the luck. Over to scripting. Can I zoom this in? Yes, I can. Nice. APY.data.objects. Nope. Armatures. Okay. Got that. Animation data dot Animation data is none type. Great. So maybe I need to go through the armature object. Object. Animation data action. .f word. Cool. Let's see. Then they intend to look at PRS to start implementing things that would improve the engine. You're waiting and watching to see how this goes, but in the meantime, working in Unreal. Very cool. Or, you know, start working in Redo and help them make it better. Data. What? Maybe after they get a build out? And what do you mean you don't know engine development? Just develop it. You write code. It's all in C++. You're gonna love it. And by that I mean you will not love it. Okay. So I think it's gonna do a fine job of getting the keys. Then add all the bones to the retargeting dictionary. For bone name in that list we got, if okay, so that's going to be false. Bone items. Bone name. Bone item target is something. Main bone name is blank. Standardized bone name source is standardized bone name. Bone name. Huh? List of characters to replace if they are at the start of the bone name. Okay. That shouldn't be a problem. Okay, we create a standardized bone name. Awesome. We're gonna try and make a sink and a toilet in Blender today. Very cool. If only find main bones once except for spine. Okay. I know. Bone detection. Where is that coming from? Don't tell me it's a field. Yo! Not great. If the source bone name is found in the bone detection list, add its main bone name of found main bone. If main bone in found main. Okay. Only find once. If bone name dot lower in bone values or standardized in bone values or standardized bone name source equal to bone name lower. Main bone name is bone name. I am so lost right now. One thing I'm not really getting is how this is populated right now. Add the first bone and the main bone to the retargeting dictionary. Source is that. Well, this is also bad. Because this says, go ahead and assign this thing that I don't know if it's null. Added to the list for later fixing? What? Okay, so it goes through the detection list. If bone main is a chest, ignore it. If bone main is in found main bones, skip. If the source name is in the bone detection list, add its main bone name to the list. Okay. Do this. Let's add a print here. Bone main. Okay. Now, if I close and reopen Blender, I should get it to print out some nice stuff for me. Heck. So these things are not in this list at all. So this for loop does nothing. Find the main bone name of the source bone. Wait. Yeah, it's not in there. So what does it do if there's nothing in there? Like, main bone name is always null, right? I need to figure out how this is populated. Section list unmodified. Set up bone list with bone list. Right. Where are you getting bone list? I don't understand. Ah, you're importing it from autodetect list.bones. Ah, so you've specifically made this so it works with your stuff only. Okay, I'm glad we got that solved. So I am gonna have to just modify their code. That's fine. I think I might be able to cheat. I think I might be able to cheat a lot. I wonder if that'll just work. Probably not, but we'll see. Because if that does just work, this is awesome. Nope, did not work. Okay. Main bone name equals bone name. That might work better. Try again, Blender. Try again. Oh. No, you're not happy. $274. All right. Okay, we're gonna just add it to the bone detection list to make it work. So I did a bad thing there. Okay. Bone detection list dot append. So actually, hold on. Wait, what are the values of bone detection? This is nasty, dude. If not, bone detection dot blarg. Blargity blarg blarg. Python dictionary. Python. Check if dictionary has a Python. Not in. Okay. Good, 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 good. Okay, so that should say that. And I just need to throw the other stuff into this bone detection. If standardize bone name source not in that, then I want to add it. But I need to know what these values are. Python. Mary. Oh. Okay, I can do that. Equal to something. I'll use that as my way to find my way back easily. Bone detection list. Custom. From custom schemes manager. Blur! The bone list is coming from auto detect list bone. Bone. Open. Red plus plus. Okay, we got a whole bunch of hard-coded stuff that I don't care about. They're all lists. They're not dictionary. How are you creating the dictionary? Bone detection. I'm out. What does that return? Find list is, I think, a dictionary. Yes, is a dictionary. The dictionary structure. For kernel list. Find list. Set it up. Value is custom. Coffee's kicking in, that's good. I feel like I need my coffee to kick in that I didn't drink. Oh, you can deal with Blender? Help! Help, please! I'm just a dumb hamster. I don't know how to do any of this. So, internal list is also a dictionary. And we go. There were times I worked in Maya that I wished I could slap a program like it had a face. Yeah, I understand. Okay, so combined list takes in 2 dictionaries. Great. Awesome. Set up bone list. Okay, so it's making a dictionary. Great. Raw bone list is also a dictionary. Son of a gun. Okay. The bone list is that. Okay, so from bones, it's getting bone list. But bone list here is not a dictionary. It... One day all of your objects turned bright green, and you kept working. Find out the bright green color was an indicator that the objects were corrupted, and it wasn't fixable. Nice. Very nice. So what? Okay, so bone list is a dictionary, but the left thing is a bone name. And the right thing is what? So let's try just making it an empty list. This shouldn't work, but if by some miracle it does work, I'll have saved myself a lot of time. Where you start making backup saves? Nice. That is how you do. Oh. Is it working? Hold on. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, chat. I did the thing. It works. Woo. Okay. So, first things first. I want to make sure I have a backup of that source code. Action Manager. And I'm gonna save that in Dum Dum Makes Spreadsheet. New folder. Rococo. Custom override. We will save that forever. Not really part of Dum Dum Make Spreadsheet, but don't really have a better place to save that. is excellent. Don't save. No. Crab red. Red crab. Reminds you of the movie Sandlot when I say forever? I don't know that movie. Huh. 1993. Well, I was the correct age to see this. Oh, no, I wasn't. I was itty bitty when this came out. See? This is how you make a movie. $7 million budget. Box office of 34 million. That's how you make a profit. Not... I'm gonna go on a slight tangent here. Just slight. Rings of Power costs $58 million per episode. 58 million. Do you know how many video games I could produce for $58 million? I could easily fund/produce 58 games for that much. Easily, right? Probably more like 250 games. Probably. And that's not saying like I do everything. That is like just paying people to make games. One episode of Rings of Power could produce 250 video games. Easily. Dude, that baffles me. So I'm gonna estimate that an easy budget for a game, 200,000. How much did they make? Oh, they lost money. Yeah, no, Rings of Power lost tons of money. Because in reality, it makes nothing, right? You get it with Amazon Prime. So there's no one paying for Rings of Power. It's the way they're justifying it is potentially people are buying or like signing up for Amazon Prime so they can watch Rings of Power. But they have no way of proving that, right? The analytics on that are garbage. Like, you can't say with any certainty that Rings of Power has made Amazon a penny. I'm sure there are people who got Amazon Prime to watch Rings of Power. I'm sure. But they can't prove it. And I'm not convinced that the vast majority of people who watch Rings of Power didn't already have Amazon Prime. Yeah, no, the whole idea of making series specific for Prime Video that are big budget is insane. Like, you are a streaming service second, right? Seems like a money sink? Yes. There's no other way to put it. Yes. And to a lesser degree, the same is true of Disney Plus. Like, it is very hard to determine the effect of a specific show or movie being released on Disney Plus on the overall subscriber count. But oh well. Now, how much money did Rings of Power lose? Orbs don't care for you. What is this article? Hollywood Reporter, also probably garbage sourcing, but we'll see. Wait. This desire to paint the show as anything less than a success, it's not reflective of any conversation I'm having internally. Okay. Well, even if that's true, if everyone outside of your company says it's a failure, but everyone inside your company says it's a success, someone has to be wrong. Like, these can't both be the case, right? Now, unless externally versus internally, there are different definitions of success. Other side, numerous sources say they cannot discern what kind of material they want to make. Where is the completion rate they were talking about? Let's see. Well, Amazon, like other streaming platforms, provides only limited data, and internally it held information even more closely than usual on the series. Okay, well, first off, if you're keeping this close to the vest, it's probably because you don't want people to know the data. Sources confirm that the percentage of customers that watch the entire series is only 37%. Ooh. So only a little over 1 in 3 people who started watching it felt like watching it through to completion. Ooh. That's rough. So the 50%, I can see that number being deflated, because imagine the number of people that watched most of the show separately and then decided to have a watch party for the last episode or something like that, right? Like, that's going to drive that number down a bit. Let's see. Stranger Things completion. Let's see. Had a 36% completion rate, margin over the second most streamed title in CIS. But then what are they talking about up here with the 72% completion rate? Huh. Arcane having a 60% makes a lot of sense. Because it's animated, so you've already cut out, like, everyone over the age of 50, pretty much. And everyone under that age is kind of part of the binge generations. Anywho. I'm going to assume all of these import correctly and in order. Okay, we have a whole bunch of junk in here. You are gonna rename. Need more real estate. Kind of a pain, dude. Walk forward. Walk backward. Right. So what is action? Oh, get rid of you. Left, right. Idle. Forward. Backward. I'm actually wondering if I should just make a tool for this. I might be making a new Blender add-on, who knows. Yay! No, not yay! That's gonna add like another month of development at least. More stuff for you to use? Ah! Are you buying assets on the Unreal Marketplace? Because if you are, then yeah, this would be useful. Hold on. Run right was the last run I did. On the left. Assuming run forward. Backward. I'm making stuff. Don't want to make some avatars too. Not yet though, since you're not ready. Fair enough. Okay, what comes after run backward? Grab idle. Oh. Grab idle 01. Idle. Grab deck. Oh. Let me rename those. Unarmed. Unarmed. Attack. Oh well. Unarmed. Nice. Okay. Got everything imported and renamed. Awesome. Okay, let's take that. Retarget. Okay. Now I should be able to just go to build retarget. Build retarget. How many retargets do I have? 5. Wait. 5 was right? That doesn't seem right. Oh, it was right. Okay. Six, 7. Oh. Arg. I messed up. So, swim left retarget. Idle retarget. 8. Build. Yeah, if I'm gonna have to do this for every single model that I want to use, I think this might be worth. Oof. Yeah, bones are everywhere. Ignore those. Run right should have a retarget. Yes, run right has a. Seven. 12. Hmm. 14. 15. 17. And 19. Okay. Now, save that. Save as step 3. I should be able to just nuke all of these extra routes and what do you mean? I play that. Huh? What? What is happening? It's like it's targeting it on all the skeletons. How is that working? Huh? Don't tell me I'm gonna have to just make my own. Because this will be awful if that's the case. Wait, what? Excuse me. That doesn't make a ton of sense. Why is he floating? So the retarget is necessary because it's fixing something. Yeah, so like the legs get crossed and twisted and all kind of weird stuff happens if I don't retarget. Huh. Some of them work as is. That one didn't. Whoa! Now that is much more reasonable. Oh, I need to really think about if I want to commit to this. Let's see. So there is an armature for each animation then? Yes. That's how Unreal Engine stores its animations. Like, each animation is a separate file. So when you want to export it, it creates a new FBX for each one. And each of those has a skeleton, right? Or at least an implied skeleton. You could sell this on Steam? What do you mean? Sell what on Steam? If I make the plugin, then I could sell it on Steam. That's possibly true. Do Blender add-ons get sold on Steam? That's a question. They're like a Blender workshop? Because as far as I know, add-ons for Blender are not sold on Steam. How do I get to the community page for this? Workshop. Blender. Yep, no Blender Workshop, so add-ons are not being sold here. Oh. Yeah, that workflow is pretty miserable. Woo! Wiggle, 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 wiggle. See, I know there are games that are like add-ons for Twitch. Rusty's Retirement can play at the bottom of the screen and chat and interact with it. Yeah, I looked into some games like that a while back. One thing I found annoying about that was there was no game like that that could receive input from multiple sources. Like if I wanted to do Twitch and YouTube, it just wouldn't support that. Let's go back to what I'm actually trying to accomplish. Import animations into Blender. We're done. Let me go ahead. Like I'll need to update my git ignore. Git ignore, where are you? No, seriously, where's my git ignore? There you are. Okay, not want that. Importable. B. F, I think it is. File, import, GLTF, GLB, FBX. Alright. Much better. We'll also get the dot imports. Import EU model. Fixed special character issue in folder slash file name. That created custom code for Rococo, allow retargeting of any issue. Yeah, I'm gonna have to, like, if I decide to make a plugin, or I should say add-on, what I'm gonna have to do is I'm gonna have to relearn how Rococo did everything it did. Oh wait, because it's a Blender add-on, I'm restricted on what license I can use anyway. So I'm fine to rip source code from them because their source code is restricted the same way mine is with the general public license. Yep. So I don't need to worry about that. With that, push it. All right. Okay. That is progress well made. Press new effects. Not really ready for that yet. Tackle the character model problem. I need to think on whether or not I want to commit to making a new Blender add-on. Because that's a big undertaking. Like, the last one took me 2 or 3 months to complete. Yeah, I need to sleep on that. Yep. The one thing I can take care of right now is something logistical. Access PC remotely. Overland. Program. Will that make your job easier than if you have to manually work on 200 characters? So, the easy answer to that is yes. The question is how much? Oh, so will the 2 months be worth the 100 characters retargeting manually? The quick answer is no. Not, like, the time difference is not worth it. Because you saw that retargeting all of those took, let's even be generous and say 5 minutes, right? So retargeting all that took 5 minutes, let's say. Assuming I'm doing 100 characters, so that's 500 minutes that would be saved. Or, yeah, 500 minutes that's saved. Divided by 60, it's 8 hours. I can guarantee the development time for an add-on to do this will take way more than 8 hours. Question is it still worth doing anyway? So, Blender Market add-on. Retarget. Let's see. So, assuming all of these are at full price, so they made over $2,000. I don't think that's worth it. Right? Like, it's just simple math. And that's really sad that only over 100 people have purchased this add-on, which likely took a ton of time to develop. Like, this is way more sophisticated than what I'm suggesting I would make. And that's assuming none of these others that are cheaper would accomplish the same thing, right? Auto-rig Pro is an add-on for Blender to rig characters, retarget animations, and provide FBX GLF export with settings for blah blah blah. In-house rigging tool. Never released it a few years ago. Well, then again, there's this one that's allegedly 47,000 sales, which even at the cheapest price of 25, allegedly they've made over $1 million. Well, you know, pre-tax. Yeah, but notice how fast the sales drop off. Like, you've got this one with the 47,000, and the next most sales, 10,000. Which, still, good money. Like, that's still 280,000 pre-tax. But the next one falls off to half that. So, like, and look how many things are here, right? Like this one hasn't sold a single copy. Oh, 10 here. But yeah, it's just not worth it. $10 plus, 10 plus, 20 plus. Yeah. Retargeting is a plugin that completely overhauls Rigify, focusing on streamlining the setup process by eliminating time-consuming steps. Yeah. Yeah, I think the answer is a no-go. I might do something with Rococo, like expanding on my custom version of Rococo for just me. Only thing that's extra annoying, though, is the renaming. The renaming those animations is kind of garbage. One thing I could maybe do is just write a quick script that all it does is import and then rename the new animation that's... Okay. Yeah, writing out scripts for this will be more efficient than trying to do an add-on. So... create a script to import EU assets FBXs into Blender. Okay. That, I think, will be a good task for tomorrow. But the logistical thing I mentioned. I want to do LAN specific because I don't want to open my PC to the internet, right? So what is VNC? Start there. Like, do you get remote desktop or is it just drive access, basically? Keep your organization connected with secure, reliable remote access to desktop and mobile devices. Yes, but what types of connection? Plus, if this just uses RDP, then I won't be able to use it anyway. Or that lets you access and control a computer over the network. With an interface, you can track remote screen right in front of it. Ooh! Alright. Like, there are two licensing options. Okay. Okay, let's see if Type VNC lets me set up a local server. Hopefully. Oh, good. Type VNC server. Nice. Register Type VNC server as a service. Configure system to allow services like Control Alt Delete. So if I'm right, this should not allow access via the internet, which is what I want. Right, VNC access over. Of this problem, we have plans to implement encryption. Please protect your TightV to password for remote access. Also, might be a good idea to use administrative password on multi-user systems. Okay. Wait, it only allows 8 characters? That's horribly not secure. Okay. For now, I'll use that password. Failed to register service because the service is already registered. Okay. Run server. Hello. No. Okay. Okay, so I can set it up to only accept my IP address, which then again, there is IP masking and all that fun stuff, so maybe not. Yeah, I'll have to play around with it. Let me just open viewer and see if it gives me the option to like ping myself. Listing mode allows people to attach your viewer to their desktops. Interesting. Very interesting. Enter a name or an IP address. Specify. Yeah, I'm gonna have to just test this. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna have to do. So that, folks, is where I will call it for today. Where's the meat? There's the meat. Good progress. I have a game plan moving forward for how to handle Unreal Engine assets. I will make some scripts. I don't know how many yet, to at least semi-automate that process. And that should make it at least somewhat less painful to get assets over to Blender. Here's hoping. Because I would like to not even attempt to do rendering in Unreal Engine. Like, that seems like a bad idea, right? Do you think that developers in the past were more creative than developers these days? No. That's all I've got for you. No. I think there is a deeper discussion to be had there, but in general, no. What I said was a bad idea is trying to do my rendering in Unreal Engine when I'm not planning to use Unreal Engine for my game. Like, in theory, I could probably recreate all of my stuff from the Blender add-on and port it over to Unreal Engine. In theory. But I think that's a bad use of my time. Anyway, that's where I'm calling it, folks. So, thank you all for joining. I hope you had fun. I hope you learned something. And if you did, check out my Ko-fi and consider supporting the channel there. And above all, I hope you all have a fantastic day. Take care, everyone.